Envira Systems Limited introduces Ultra Air with whale power technology. Ultra Air is the only high-volume, low-speed ceiling fan on the market today that utilizes front-edge tubercle technology. Ultra Air addresses the needs of any size of building or space. It all happens here. We design, we test, we manufacture and assemble Ultra Air right here at Envira Systems Limited. The typical fan blade or airfoil can only provide a maximum pitch of 8 degrees. If one was to increase this pitch and hope to provide more airflow, it would cause more turbulence, noise, and vibration through the assembly. At almost 3 times the pitch, the Ultra Air blade can reach 21 degrees. The tubercles on the leading edge forces a portion of air into small channels across the top of the blade. The velocity of air increases, producing greater lift, allowing a steeper pitch. With a steeper pitch, we can now move more air with less blades. With less blades, there's less drag or less load, saving money in the day-to-day operation. We do everything here. We design and test and assemble all of our systems, including the controls, to ensure that your system will work to peak performance. We could show you some cute little images of how the air flows within the building, but it's nothing like seeing the real thing in operation. Seeing is believing. There is only one good way to move 397,701 CFMs, and that's with one 24-foot Ultra Air fan using whale-powered technology. It's equivalent to 56 24-inch high-velocity fans or 30 36-inch ceiling fans. Most importantly, when looking at these comparisons, 30 36-inch ceiling fans will cost you $1,514.75 to operate throughout the year. 56 24-inch high-velocity wall fans will cost you $6,357.66. Dramatically, one 24-foot Ultra Air fan with whale power technology will only cost you $737.30 a year to operate. Putting this in perspective is shocking. It's a 40% energy cost savings. Therefore, if the operating cost for a 100,000 square foot building is $24,000 per year, your possible savings could be as high as $9,600 annually. Setting the savings aside and in the bank, Ultra Air also provides a comfortable environment that boosts occupant productivity and efficiency. It provides an even temperature throughout the building, in the summer and in the winter. In the summer, the fans work as an occupant cooling system. It improves air quality, it is user-friendly, has variable speeds, inexpensive to operate, and fan sizes vary for all buildings and all power requirements. Whale power technology was derived from the humpback whale. And now Envira Systems Limited has produced the first fan of the future built on 1,000,000 years of field tests. With over 50 years of ventilation experience, Envira designs, manufactures, and sells the most innovative commercial ventilation systems on the market today. Thank you for watching. If you need more information, please feel free to contact us or see us on the web.